So I have Barry, one of my favorite patients, and we did a lumbar DDD on him a little over 2 months ago, maybe almost 3 months ago. And he had a pretty tight spinal stenosis. And well, Barry, what kind of symptoms were you having prior to the procedure? How long were you able to sit without pain?
I could sit without pain, but my pain was mainly when I had to stand.
Okay.
And I could only stand for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I had to find a place to sit down. It was,
Okay.
It was horrible.
So you had standing intolerance.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I would get relief as soon as I sat down, and it would radiate all the way down in my thigh, all the way to my shin. And so it was extremely painful, and I was not able to lift anything. I was not able to be active at all, and the things I love to do. So, and I didn't tell you, I played round golf about
Oh, you did?
I did.
Awesome.
And it didn't hurt at all.
Awesome.
I'm fine. So
So you couldn't play golf. You couldn't really do much of anything, huh?
I really could not.
And your wife wanted to travel.
We went on vacation with my daughter and her kids and husband, and we went to several museums in Branson.
So after the procedure.
No, this was
This is
in
before.
December.
Okay.
And it was the most miserable vacation I've ever been on, because I was in so much pain, and I couldn't enjoy the tours, and we were walking through museums, and I had to find a place to sit down every 3 minutes. So it was a difficult time. But the PRP has helped me tremendously. It has, I've gone from a 9 or 10 on the pain scale to probably, less than 1. And
That's
so,
awesome. And what about your leg pain? Is that improved?
Oh, absolutely. I don't have any.
Yeah.
I literally no longer have any leg pain. I don't have the spasms and the shooting pain down my legs. I don't have the knotting of the muscles in my hips, my piriformis. It's just so much better all the way around.
So what are you doing now that you couldn't do before?
Well, I played golf last week for the first time in a year, which was very enjoyable, and I was a little timid about it. I was a little tentative, but I didn't have any trouble at all. And once I got warmed up, I was fine. No after effect, no soreness afterwards. So the most pain I have is stiffness when I wake up or when I get moving, and once I warm up, I'm absolutely fine. I can do things that there's no way I could do 3 months ago.
And you were anticipating surgery before this?
I was.
What were they going to do?
Well, one surgeon wanted to do a fusion, which I absolutely refused. The other one was going to go in and do remove some scar tissue, that sort of thing. I'm grateful. I'm very blessed, and thank you.
Well, thank you. I'm so glad you're better.